everyone and welcome to Damosa Land 360. I'm Jin and today we will be exploring one of Davo's premier condominium developments, Seawind by Damosa Land. Seawind is a 6-tower mid-rise condominium project of a Davao-based real estate developer, Damosa Land. It is strategically located at Kilometer 11, Barangay Saksa, Buhangin District here in Davao City. It is nearby key places around the city such as the Davao International Airport and the Davao Samal Ferry Terminal. Today, we're here at the entrance of one of the 6 buildings and we're going to explore a studio unit. A studio unit is ideal for bachelors or bachelorettes who aim to have a personal and private space, and yet they tend to enjoy all the amenities an exclusive community could offer. And this property being near to key areas is surely one thing that they can consider. So let's go in and check this bare studio unit. This is a typical studio unit, an optimized and personalized space wherein you can see no walls which blocks your view from any point of the entire unit. You could actually play around with all your furnitures. You can put actually a divider in here to create a separation between your private space and your common spaces. And over here you have your AC provision. And over that corner is actually a space that you could put your bed. So just a quick trivia. Did you know that these walls are designed and built with such thickness that ensures the privacy of each unit owner? Like, I know, right? This is a big deal for some, but I shouldn't be able to hear you from the other side. Impressive. The good thing about our units here in Seawind is that it comes with a free wardrobe cabinet. How generous is that, right? And over here is our dining area, which could also serve as your receiving area. Well, you could actually put a small table in here, which also serves as your study. And over here is our kitchen. You have your deep sink and your induction cooker, which again, it all comes as you purchase the unit. And so as your range should to contain all the smell as you cook. But just like in any other condominium properties, we limit our preparations to light cooking only. And of course, your cabinets for all your storage needs. That's it for the kitchen, and lastly, the toilet and bath.
1, 2, 3.
And there you have it. You've just seen our bare studio unit. And now we're going to show you how this unit would look like once fitted out. We've just finished checking out the unit and it's about time to see the rest of the property amenities. Off we go! One of the greatest features about Seawind Condominium is this resort-like clubhouse with half an Olympic-sized swimming pool and lounge areas. On top of that, you can also host your own exclusive events in this activity area, or you can just simply laze around on a humid weekend. Ah, perfect for summer, isn't it? This project gives so much regard to the holistic well-being of its residents, allocating 75% of the entire property to amenities, parks, gardens, and road networks. There you have it, guys. That is Seawind by Damosa Land featuring a studio unit. Don't forget to subscribe to Damosa Land's YouTube channel. and make sure to click the bell button to stay updated. Also, follow us on our social media accounts on Facebook and Instagram. Lastly, please visit our website at damosaland.com. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Jin, and as we always like to say it, welcome to Damosa Land. It's good to be home.